It's Friday the 13th, and here's what's happening today on the World Fair. At 9:30, we're going to talk about what everyone wants to know. How am I making sure that I'm getting paid for all the labor, operations, parts, and material that I'm doing to perform a repair? We're going to be talking about estimating audits, how you can audit yourself, how you can audit your employees, what audit steps look like, how to take the information that you glean from those audits and put it into development plans or learning plans that you can use to make everyone around you better. It's going to be an exciting hour and a half as we bring forward real shops that have donated their estimators and their estimates to be put on stage in front of everyone to go through the audits with you. And hopefully we'll all learn together. At 11:30, it's time to take that vehicle and the parts out of paint and deliver it back to the body department for reassembly. And when we do that, well, an in-process QC takes place. As the vehicle moves from department to department, whether it's from estimating and blueprinting into the initial teardown phases with the technician to paint, to detail and back, there's always a peer-to-peer QC process ensuring that nothing is left off. We actually can't do QC when the vehicle's complete. By then, it's really too late. So we'll be demonstrating what it looks like when the paint department makes a handoff to the body department, as well as the other steps of critical in-process QC and how you can implement that in your shop with some visuals on the car and also how to have the conversations between the different employees. At 3 o'clock, while our vehicle's ready, it's time to get it finally detailed and delivered back to the customer. So we'll talk about what your final SOP steps for final delivery should be and why they're so critical. In fact, this may be one of the most critical steps in the repair process. This is where we will make sure the vehicle is not only accurately repaired and safe to return to the customer, it's where we're also going to make sure that we've done everything that we've said we're going to do on the estimate and that we've taken care of all the customers' amenities so that when we return the vehicle back, there is no disappointment with not having the radio stations right or the seat positions not right or my Bluetooth doesn't work with my phone. All of the things that we want to make sure that gets it done right. We'll be covering that, and then we'll hand that vehicle off to the customer and hopefully have a fantastic, wonderful, full loop experience of collision repair for one customer here. One thing that we want to remind you is all of these shows will be broadcasting and streaming live on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. There's 1,000 ways for you to watch when you want and how you want. But if you miss any of the live shows, don't worry. All of the replays will be available on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.